Hi everyone, welcome to Sunlands. Today I am going to do review HL-107 vacuum cleaner. I actually got two of these, but I'm going to do one review on this box only. Okay, so this one is not open yet, but this one is already open. See, already tested. But this one going to leave it like this because I'm going to vacuum the car. Another unit is going to vacuum in my room. Okay, here you got some cloth. Yeah, very good cloth. And you got instruction menu something. Yes, this one is instruction menu in Chinese and English. You get filters, but actually total 3 filters because I select 3 filters. Another one is inside the vacuum. And also we got some accessories for this thing. You get some USB cable for charging this thing, because this one is convert from 5 volt to 7 point something volt. Need to see the specs inside the they didn't write anything else down there. So the spec is, you can see in the instruction here. It says, sorry, not clear, wait, hold on. There is, it says 7.4 volt at 120 watt and about 290 grams weight. It's really light, more like you are holding a smartphone or tablet size like that. And yeah, dust capacity is 0.4 liter of size. Yes, this one is really small vacuum. I already tested it out. It's quite good. And you see this. Yeah, but this one I'm going to keep it maybe for future using. But yeah, I'm going to open the, oh my god, and this one is brought this I brought from TikTok shop. You can find it at the link down description, only for YouTube viewers. Yeah, and oh my god, we can close it like that. This one used for future. Oh my god, holding cameras is really hard to close. And I shoot with Poco F5. And yeah, if you want to use this thing, it's really easy. It's very strong enough to test it out. Wait, hold on. See how it looks like. It's like a gun something, and it's really strong. Let's test it out with this. But I need to, oh, this one doesn't have lights. Okay, we vacuum a bit right here. See, dirt, a lot of dirt. See, but I'm sorry, really bad camera setting a bit. So I'm going to clear all this dirt. It's really easy. So like this, you press on and you can vacuum like this. See, and yeah, it's quite strong also. can suck almost everything. And it's really rare to find this vacuum at 120 watt of power. Yeah, 120 watt is really big power for really small device. But it's more like you are using a fast phone charger on this. Yeah, I see got some dirt, some rocks going in here. Oh my god. And you can open it up like this and throw it away. Actually, you can change the filter if you want to. Let's say this is too dirty, you cannot wash it anymore. Maybe after like few times or few hundred times. Plus, let's say, oh my god, this thing is dirty, and then you need to change one of these filters. But they have like 1 or 3 filters at TikTok shop. But I take the three filters variant. Yes, have 3 filters inside one box, and yeah, it's quite good to use in the car. See, I don't know why I open my bonnet like this. And yeah, see, really dirty, because after I use like maybe just 1 or 2 times already for testing. And this one is washable until you feel like cannot use anymore, dirty already, you can throw it away. Yeah. Well, that's it for the review I brought from TikTok shop. Is like how much? Hold on. I get for 35 ringgit and 90 cents on TikTok. Yes, it's cheap, including the shipping coupons. Yes, I get 1 set. Another one is 2 set. Yes, I get 2 set of vacuum cleaner, but this one I want to put in my room for cleaning as well. So, what do you think about this vacuum cleaner? Let me know down in the comment section. I feel like this one is the smallest and also strongest vacuum cleaner I ever get from, oh my god, how to press, from TikTok shop. Yeah, this is really portable. You can bring almost everywhere. Even there is less socket place. Example, like a car is really hard to find the socket. And then if you brought the car vacuum one, right, that one is a bit bigger than this, but I feel like this one is more portable. No mess up your cables. If you mess up with your cables, you really totally, hey, why my cable stuck with my car seat? Why? And yeah, sorry about that. I talk too loud already when people say, hey, this sentence are very crazy. Yeah, this one is very good vacuum cleaner. If you want to buy one, check out at the link down description below for YouTube viewers only, but TikTok viewers may be coming soon if I get 1,000 followers. For maybe I will put the link down to TikTok shop. Yeah, I guess that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.